case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The construction project for the Alfred I. DuPont Institute Children's Hospital, owned by the Nemours Foundation, turned contentious when disputes arose between the involved parties: Nemours, the principal contractor Gilbane Building Company, and Pierce Associates, hired as a subcontractor to conduct the mechanical work. Culminating in a complex litigation process, these disputes brought to question who owed whom a legal duty under the contract and the broader implications of Delaware law on negligence claims. Initially, the issues revolved around project delays and difficulties, for which Nemours sought damages against Pierce. However, the case took on a new dimension with the question of whether Nemours, who was not in direct contractual relationship with Pierce, had any valid claim against the latter based on negligence and third-party beneficiary rights. The trial, which spanned an intensive 79 days, swung in favor of Nemours and Gilbane, with the court awarding damages of $29,035,783. This figure encompassed claims for breach of contract, negligence, prejudgment interest, indemnity claims, punitive damages, and attorney's fees. Given the substantial judgment, Pierce and their insurance company, Federal, appealed the decision. They contended that the lower court erred in its interpretation of Delaware law by allowing Nemours to recover purely economic loss through a negligence claim when they did not have privity of contract. Pierce also disputed the enforcement of the indemnity clause in their subcontract with Gilbane, arguing that it did not apply to the situation at hand. On appeal, the court partially affirmed and reversed the district court's conclusion. While Gilbane's prejudgment interest on contract damages was recalculated according to Delaware law, Nemours' claim was invalidated. The court established that Nemours did not have a third-party beneficiary claim or a negligence claim against Pierce within the remit of Delaware law. This negation meant the judgment awarding Nemours damages against Pierce had to be reversed, including the punitive damages, legal costs, and indemnity claims. In the final recalculated judgment, Gilbane's recovery was reduced to $269,699.22 before interest, with post-judgment interest set at 5.63%. The district court was tasked with determining the applicable dates for computing prejudgment interest at 13.5%. Each party was left to bear its own costs, marking a significant shift in outcome for Nemours and highlighting the convoluted nature of contract law and negligence claims in the context of complex construction projects.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.